The center of Paris here, where we are gonna see all the attractions we can in 1.5 days. We won't be able to go in much, like we won't go up that, but we will do as much as we can. So let's go without any time to waste. On y va? What do you think of this view?
Above average. It's really cool. It's really nice. I'm really happy to be here. Look at this, the Eiffel Tower.
Je suis maybe the only one I need. Bonjour, j'adore. You're all I want and more. Ça va, au revoir. It's only under toi. We are the wild ones. We only live once. We wanna feel young. All night long, we don't ever wanna stop.
This is the Arc de Triomphe behind us. It's insanity. Total insanity here. How do we get across? Yo, so right behind us there is the Grand Palace. This is the Grand Palais, where they put an ice rink inside of there. One of the most epic ice rinks. But guess what? It closed yesterday. It actually was the final day yesterday. Oh, so sad we missed it by one day. Oh yeah, we missed it. So, nous sommes tristes. Très tristes. Plus tristes. Oh, so sad. Oh, c'est la vie. C'est la vie. There's the Notre Dame Cathedral, all rebuilt now after the fire. There's still some scaffolding on the side, but it looks like she is all done and complete there. So let's go check it out. We got some tickets to go inside. It's all free to go inside, so let's see it.